Indic makes it a priority to pursue quality and excellence in all our products and services. Indic's engineering and manufacturing services provide you with reliable products, with the quality and testing process adapted to the needs of your company, with customer satisfaction being the goal of our quality management system. We mitigate risk and reduce the internal defect rate through preventative action. Indic conducts standardized quality inspections when raw materials are received, adheres to specifications during the development and test process, and also performs quality audits on the final product and at the supply chain level. Indic's manufacturing unit provides real-time quality monitoring and control. Our industry-leading manufacturing systems drive continuous improvement activities to fine-tune the process. Products designed and manufactured by Indic comply with the ISO 9001 and the IATF 16949 quality certification standards. Indic engineering and manufacturing services promise quality at every stage for your products.